We started charting Bitcoin many years ago because you guys asked me to do so. Now I get the question, when will we ever get into Bitcoin again? When will it ever go up? Now, we've been talking about this for many, many months since we did our last long trades, which have been 6, 8, 10 months ago. When will we look to get back into an up move on Bitcoin? And remember, we don't use any of those crypto exchanges. We follow XBTF, which is the Van Eck Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund. It tracks Bitcoin. It's a closed month short-term future. And the nice thing is you can buy it not on crypto exchanges, but on any exchange, any online broker. Now, we're not a stock calling service. We're not a Bitcoin calling service. We're an education firm, but we have been successfully practice trading Bitcoin in the past. And for those who want to know when will we ever get into it again, we'll get into it when the charts tell us to get into it. And they have not been telling us to get into it for many, many months. When will that happen? Well, we've talked about market capitulation. When is Bitcoin going to finally stop going down? We don't know. Have no idea. I know there are people out there that say that Bitcoin is just one big Ponzi scheme. It may be. Maybe it'll never go up again. But chances are, with all the investment and everything else going on with Bitcoin, we've seen this happen before. And it will probably rocket back up again at some point. If and when it does, it will probably not happen until we see market capitulation. You say, Tom, what does market capitulation look like? It's when nobody wants to ever buy Bitcoin again. Maybe we're there, maybe we're close to there, maybe we're not. Maybe it's going to have to get down to 10,000 to 8,000 a Bitcoin, whatever it might be. But when it finally hits rock bottom, nobody wants it. Everybody's out of it, except for those Bitcoin fanatics that will hold on to it no matter what. When that finally happens, we see that occur, and we watch our charts, and we see it consolidate, form a strong base, which we were hoping it would do around the $18.20 mark on XBTF. It didn't. It went on down to 15 or so. And again, we weren't in it during any of that time at all. We've got to see the charts work for us. If you like what we do, of course, follow us each and every day. We do chart Bitcoin on a daily basis along with gold, the NASDAQ 100, the S&P 500, and 20-year bonds. These are for training purposes. Learn what we do. It is simple yet effective, and it is empowering. That is the number one word I will use. God bless, my friends. We love to hear from you. CW@chartingwealth.com. Thank you, Patreon supporters. God bless.